There are mornings on the Via Podiensis where the world feels like kites holding its breath. Just you, the fog, and the path ahead.
Okay, so we are leaving Arzacq, heading for Béarn this morning. Get off to a fairly early start, not about half hour late. Woke up this morning with some stomach issues. And, hopefully they didn't.
Welcome back to the Via Podiensis, day 32. We are leaving Arzacq-Arraziguet this morning, heading for Arthez-de-Béarn. It's going to be a long day, maybe 28 kilometers or so. We'll see. But looking at the map, it seems like a day defined by architecture. 4 churches on the docket today, so here we go. As I leave Arzacq this morning, the air is crisp. Cool. It's one of those starts where you want to keep moving just to stay warm. The ground fog is sitting heavy right on top of the lake. It really creates this sense of isolation. In a good way.
How are you? How are you? They let me raising my sticks.
Our first stop today is Louvigny. It's a small place, quiet. But these villages, they were the lifeblood of the pilgrimage in the Middle Ages. They offered sanctuary. The church here in Louvigny has that distinct sturdy look of the region. Not ornate, but permanent. Built to last. When you step inside these places, the temperature drops by about 10 degrees. It smells like stone and old wax. Between Louvigny and Castillon, the guidebooks mention a small chapel. It's easy to miss if you aren't looking for it. These isolated chapels are some of my favorite parts of the GR65. They aren't cathedrals. They aren't trying to impress anyone. They're just there, waiting for whoever walks by. Moving on to Castillon, the landscape is opening up. We're getting deeper into the Béarn region now. You can feel the architecture changing, the roofs are getting steeper, preparing for the mountain snows that aren't too far away now. Castillon offers another church, another marker of how important this route was. In the medieval era, these weren't just religious sites, they were waypoints, like a lighthouse for someone walking across a sea of hills. You see the tower, and you know you're on the right path.
Dog and cat squaring off in the middle of the street here. On the Via Podiensis. Neither one's gonna make a move. I think it's a cat. There's no cat.
Arthez-de-Béarn is interesting. It's a street village stretched out along a ridge. It sits on the site of an ancient Celtic oppidum and later a Roman post. Again, layers of history beneath our boots. And here is number 4, the church in Arthez. It's the capstone of the day. Walking from sanctuary to sanctuary, it gives the day a rhythm. You aren't just counting kilometers, you're counting steeples. We made it. Arthez-de-Béarn. 4 churches, plenty of sunshine, and the feet held up. Now the priority shifts: food, shelter, and hopefully a shower. Tonight we're staying at the Gîte de Tapi Domi, and this is the other side of the Camino. The history is great, the walking is meditative, but the fellowship is what fills you back up. Great meal, great company. You walk alone a lot of the day, but you end it like this. It's a good balance. Tomorrow we head closer to the mountains. Every step westward is another step along routes people have used for nearly 2 millennia. Join me for the next leg.